Hello everyone, today let me introduce for you the magnetic door stopper of Prodigy. It is made of two parts, one metal plate and the other semi-round body, both with adhesive tape and magnetic metal. First, let's stick the two parts together and then choose the right position and clean the surface. Peel off the two paper bags from the magnetic door stopper and then stick it firmly on the floor and pull the door to meet the stopper and match a good position, and then press the semi-round body firmly on the floor. Then pull the door slightly and open it and press the plate firmly on the door. Then this is installed and you can use it. It works automatically with the magnetic plate. You see, it is very convenient and practical. Thank you for being with us. See you next time.